This is the ZINUS SmartBase bed frame.
This is what the bed frame looks like once it's assembled. This bed frame comes in the sizes of narrow twin, twin, twin XL, full, queen, king, and California king. This is the queen variant. The bed frame is made from a sturdy steel that's able to hold a mattress without the use of a box spring. This is nice because it eliminates that extra step and gives you the convenience of being able to set up your bed without having to buy an extra item. The bed frame is 14 inches tall, and another neat feature about it is the space underneath. A lot of bed frames and platforms these days don't have much space underneath, if any at all. This is nice because it gives you some flexibility in how you're able to store things in the bedroom. Now, this was very easy to assemble and the directions were straightforward. It took less than 15 minutes to get it all put together. One great thing about this bed frame is how portable it is. Being a foldable bed frame, you can easily fold it up and put it away, and it's easy to move around in tight spaces, which is nice when you're trying to move from room to room very quickly. The frame's lightweight makes this even easier. This bed frame is very quiet. It doesn't make any noise or creaks or anything like that, which is nice because it won't disrupt you while you're sleeping.
But this is a quick look at the ZINUS SmartBase bed frame.